Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a slide deck in a couple of different ways. So if we have a slide deck and we want to make a copy of it, we can click on File, and here we have the option to make a copy. Now, if you want to copy the entire slide deck, you can just click on Entire Presentation, and when you make a copy, which I'll go through in a minute using selected slides, but if you go through and you do the entire presentation, it will make a copy of the entire presentation. Every slide, every animation, everything. But I'm going to show you how to do selected slides. Now, in order to use selected slides, you do have to select certain slides on the left-hand panel. And when you click on that, you'll have the option to give it a name, organize it, what folder do you want it in, share it with the same people, remove all speaker notes, and then I'm going to click on Make a Copy. And then again, what this will do is it will open up this new copy right in my Chrome browser, so I don't have to go looking for it later. I think the assumption there is if you're making a copy of it, there's a good chance you're going to want to work on it. So it just opens it for you, but then notice the only slide that shows up is that slide that was selected in the original presentation. So if you make a copy and then you only want certain slides, you simply select the slides you want to include in the copy, make the copy, you're good to go. It has only those slides in it.